How to stop subscription on Apple Music on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can stop the subscription on Apple Music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can do this process from your browser by going to music.apple.com, or you can do this process from your iPhone in very easy manner. But we don't want to use the normal Apple Music application because that's not where we want to cancel our subscription from. In order to cancel the subscription, we want to simply open the settings app here, then just tap our Apple ID profile from the top of the screen. Then over here you'll find the option called subscriptions. You want to make sure to tap on subscriptions, and once you tap on subscription, it may ask you to verify with your password or anything else. You'll be able to see all the subscriptions that you have over here, such as Apple Music, Apple One, or whatever else you have. Just look for the Apple Music on this list. I currently don't have the subscription myself. If you do have, you'll definitely find them here, and then you can follow the instructions to cancel them accordingly. And that's it for today's video on how you can stop your subscription on Apple Music. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.